Well, I've always been a little bit obsessed with efficiency, and to me, efficiency and innovation go together. I can remember when I was a little girl, even doing household chores like vacuuming or whatever, I used to think, well, there's got to be a better way to do this. And I was so delighted when the Roombas came out, and then all of a sudden you could have your room vacuumed without you having to participate in that. So I would say that it's something I've always been interested in, the idea that you can improve your quality of life, and sometimes in a dramatic fashion through innovation, and you don't even realize how far that innovation is going to take you. My mom always talks about how exciting it was when they got their first automatic washing machine, and that they had been manually washing their clothes on the farm for years and years, and then it sort of was a big life changer. They had all kinds of time, and I'm excited that that's happened in my lifetime as well. And I used to think of how much time I spent on getting maps ready and putting them carefully on my passenger side car of my car, and getting ready for trips. Now, as long as I know the phone number, I just punch it in and off I go. So I save time. So I'm excited to work in a place that fosters innovation. Well, I think it keeps things fresh. I think if all of us came to work every day and thought today's going to be just like yesterday, and we're going to do things the same way we did them yesterday or a year ago or 5 years ago, we wouldn't be able to attract and retain the best and the brightest here at Geisinger. I think as our reputation for innovation and our actual work products in the area of innovation and the improvements they've made in patient care, those things help us attract other innovators. And then the more innovators you get together, the more innovative the place becomes. And I've seen such a huge increase in the amount of innovation that we do here at Geisinger. It's always been here since 1915. From the very start, the place was innovative. It was different from other places. But I would say over the last 7 or 8 years, as more and more people have been brought together, working together on changing how we take care of patients. How do we do it so that they have higher quality and it costs less? Having that unifying mission about that's what we innovate around is huge. And of course there's all the IT innovation. I think that just makes us all very proud that we can be a leader in that area and take advantage of it ourselves as patients. I think certainly in the areas of patient care, when we can pull together patient information in a short period of time and use the time we have with a patient very productively to think about what are their needs, what are their problems, and how can we solve them. It wasn't very long ago that I attended a physician visit with my dad, and instead of my dad sitting on the exam table, the physician put all the files that he had received. Oh, here's your pulmonary report, and here's from your cardiologist. And he spent most of the visit trying to find papers and pulling it together instead of thinking about, well, what are we going to do about the growth in your lung? And so I think for Geisinger, the ability to pull the information together, for us to communicate securely, to allow our patients to communicate with us, those are all huge advancements, and they provide a great platform for us to build on and really continue to take it to the next level.